Okay, I have the KASTEWILL heavy duty bike lock. This is a U-lock and it is pretty sturdy, pretty thick metal. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Came packaged very nicely in a box. Everything was wrapped up in its own package, and let me show you what you get with this. You get the U-lock itself that has a silicone wrapped base on here. See the key port right there? Silicone wrapped so you don't get water in there, and you can prolong the life of the lock. You get two keys that come with it, so you can put one on your key ring and keep one at home in case you lose one. You get a mount to mount this somewhere on the frame of your bike. Maybe you've got your seat up kind of high. You can mount this on there, slide it around, and the way this works, we'll take one of the keys here and open this up. This device sits inside of here. This portion gets pushed through. You can lock it into place and you can mount this a couple of different places on your mountain bike. Like I said, you put it on your seat tube if you wanted to and have it hang off the back of the bike. Or you can put it on your crossbar. You can set it like this. You can slide it around to have it go underneath, whatever you want to do. All kinds of different options so you have a place to store it away when you're not using it. And it also comes with a long cable. Plenty of room on here to wrap this cable through your tire, through your frame, wherever you're going to attach it to. It's a very thick, very durable feeling cable. It's got a nice plastic cover on the outside here to protect this cable inside of here and keep it weatherproof and weather resistant. And it's got a couple of nice plastic things on the top here where the cable loops meet around. So let's go test that. I'm going to take it outside and we'll test it on my scooter and we'll see how it works. All right, I got this thing for use with my electric scooter because there's so many options with the U-bracket this long. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If I wanted to, I could run this through here, obviously, wrap this guy around here, chain it off to something. Let's just use this fence as an example. Onto here, and I'm good to go, right? Also, my second option, I can run it through this bracket right here. I've actually got enough room to run it through a shock back here if I wanted to. There's so many options with the electric scooter. It actually fits around the bar here, which is perfect for me. This little bracket here has two screws that you can undo. Like I said, if you had a mountain bike, you could hook it onto your crossbar here or underneath your seat and store this on here. I actually believe I could fit this over this bar right here. In my case, with this particular type of scooter, I'm actually just going to store it just like this. I'm going to run it through here, wrap the cable around here a few times, and I'm good to go. It's completely out of the way when I'm riding. Pretty cool.